Hey everybody, here is another search. This is with ammo. This is at a school. This is going to be a scenario-based training session where it is a single blind search for me. The information I'm given is a shooting occurred at the school playground or recreational area. Now, I don't know how many hides there are. I don't know anything other than they want the area searched in an attempt to locate anything related to the shooting. So that could be firearms, could be firearm parts, could be shell casings. So I'm going to deploy ammo on the search, and of course, it's raining while we're searching. Another realistic issue you might have to deal with. So I'm going to hit fast forward in the beginning part here because the camera's kind of pointed lower, and I'm on an incline, so you don't get to see much other than grass until another minute or so into the search, so I'll speed that up. So, another video. Hope you guys get to see some of the lessons I learned and how odor was moving on this one, which is pretty unique. There's like a curb and how the dog picks up the odor on the curb and follows it in, things like that. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Of course, keep sending me your questions, and I'll keep sharing videos.
Camera's almost dead. Good boy.
Dog down there off leash. Okay.
So as I spoke about, there's a dog off leash in the search area, but I also still have to let him search that entire area. I'm looking for changes of behavior, something predictable, repeatable, reliable. And as he kind of runs around the space, being a spaniel a little bit, I'm now seeing some behaviors that he's slowing down, but right there, he runs off to the side. So this is the first area that I need to clear, so I'm going to have him clear it. Now, change of behavior. I see it, but he loses it, and we'll see what
I'm
happens.
seeing some good change in here, but I'm not. Come here.
So I'm seeing some really good changes of behavior. He's following this curb all by himself, so I'm going to stick with that.
Free! Hey, good boy! Woohoo! You got it! Man! I saw the good head changes over here. Yeah, but he worked the shit out of that curb perfectly.
See exactly where that odor was. Because he just...
Good boy!
Yep, that's a magazine.
Oh, nice. Come on. Zoop.
So I restart him down a little ways up from the previous hide so I can continue clearing this area in a systematic way.
Come here. Ready?
So I see a behavior change. I'm letting him explore it, but I can kind of tell by his body language and what he's sniffing, more than likely this is crittering or something of just interest.
Good boy. Come on. Good.
I'm not seeing any behavior changes in these areas at the moment. Right there, I see a behavior change. The bracketing. The slowing down a little bit more. The tail a little bit more active. And again, he's following a curb, which the lesson from the last search taught me. Maybe I need to check that area.
Shh, good boy. Here. Shh, good boy. Come here.
Because he ran down to the previous hide, I'm going to put him on pattern here a little bit and see if we can work out if there's anything here or not. Again, really good change to behavior, him working this curb area. I don't know which way it's going to go. I got to let him work it out. Of course, like a normal dog, he's getting distracted by something right there. He kind of checks in with me for a second, but then moves on pretty fast. Great bracket right there. Again, another head snap. Detailing behaviors. These are all my predictable, repeatable, reliable, and indication.
Good. Sook. Good. Free. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
And you could see the shell casings right there at the end. If you look, they're right there on the ground. So I didn't know what I was looking for, but as I came closer when he was locked up, I could tell it was shell casings. Good job, Ammo.